In this video series, what I'll be doing is working through the online textbook, Computer-Based Problem Solving, and working through the program examples using Python. There's a few requirements that you're going to need to be able to do this. The first one is to actually have an AWS or an Amazon Web Services account. The process I'm going to be using is an educational account for my students, but any Amazon account, AWS account will work. Not a regular Amazon account, but an AWS account. You can go to AWS and get a free 1-year subscription if you want. The IDE that we'll be using is in AWS, and it is the Cloud9 IDE. So if you need a tutorial on how to start up a Cloud9 IDE, you can look for one of those. The next thing that you're going to need is a GitHub account. You can get one of those free, so you can go to github.com and sign up for an account. Once you have an account, you'll then need to be able to actually create GitHub repos, and the process is pretty simple, so you can look at how to start and get GitHub repos.